What's going on, guys? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and today we are going to be working on the Shelby GT350. So as you guys see, as the title says, we're going to be installing the interior lights right now. So if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel now. If you're a big Mustang fan, subscribe to the channel now, because we got a bunch of stuff that we're going to be putting on the Shelby this week. So if you want to stay updated with the build and see everything that we do to the Shelby, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell at the bottom of the channel, hit the notification bell so you do not miss a video. So subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell right now to be notified on all the videos, and stay tuned for what's about to come to the Shelby. So right now we're about to do it. I'm here with my dad right here, and here is the Shelby. So looking really nice. And as you guys see, we're going to be installing the new interior lights and vanity lights. We're going to be replacing the interior, vanity. Alright guys, so right now we're installing the map light right here. So this is my dad right here, Mr. Jules. My name is Jules as well too. I'm a junior. So if you guys see him, Mr. Jules, this is Mr. Jules. So right now we're installing the map light. So ours was a bit of a pain to get it out, but as you look on those tabs right here and the edge, it kind of looks dark. There's those edges. You just put a flathead between there, pry it in, and it pops out on each side. So they came out now, so now we're about to put the bulbs in.
Be careful when they're pulling down, because these things are plastic.
Yeah, those things up there,
that's plastic,
are plastic right here. So be careful pulling it down and not break those plastic tabs to hold the map light, dome light in. So these are the diode dynamic interior lights that we're going to be installing today. And to get this one side out, you just pull this tab out from where inside of the holder is. Just pull this out and the bulb comes right out. So now we're going to install the new light. Alright, so the light is lighting up, and they said it really doesn't matter which way you put the light in. And as you guys can see how bright it is, so this light actually spreads down and around, so it gets the whole interior, which is cool. So now we're going to put it in. Pops in like that, and that's the big difference right there. That's from that side to the OEM light. So that's a big difference. That's a big difference to you? Yep. Nice and clean. Now we're gonna jump over to the vanity lights, and I believe you gotta use a flathead. Yep, and it just comes right out. Okay. There's just 2 Phillips right there to take the whole thing out. So if they don't come on, just flip them the other way.
There we go.
There we go. And they just clip in, and then boom. So that's how this side looks compared to this side. Definitely looks a night and day difference, and it matches map light, so it looks really good and clean. So as you guys can see, for the glove box, the bulb is right there. All you got to do is stick a flathead in there. The bulb is right here. You just push the bulb out with the flathead and the bulb will fall down. You can definitely see how it brightened up the interior really nice. And then they got the vanities right here, so definitely a night and day difference right there. But definitely lights up the whole interior. You can see at the bottom, if you drop something down there, inside the cup holders, in the back, the whole inside of here lighted up really nice. So that's really good. And the glove box, you can definitely see something inside of there, so really nice. right now I just finished editing the video, and the interior lights by Diode Dynamics look amazing in the Shelby GT350. Definitely looks good. So highly recommend you guys, if you guys have a Mustang, definitely get these LED lights. It definitely brightens up inside of the interior a lot. So highly recommend them, and I'll post a link of where we got them from in the description from CJ Pony Parts. So highly recommend getting your parts from CJ Pony Parts if you're on the East Coast, because they're located right in Pennsylvania. So highly recommend getting your parts if you're on the East Coast from CJ Pony Parts. Highly recommend it. That's it for the video. There's going to be more mods. Next video is going to be a mod, and then after that video is going to be a mod, and then it's going to be mods for my car, and then so on and so on. There's so much stuff going on. So if you guys like this video, smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be more dope mods, content, crazy videos and content on the way. And hit the notification bell so when these videos drop, you guys are notified. But that's it for the video. If there's anything that you want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step forward towards your goal every single day and make it happen. Peace.